no face on a pillow lying right next to mine. I wanna cut out the party and the smoking and the rum and both. So make sure wine and make me see your person. When every time I fantasize, me see your lips, me see your eyes, your trigger finger do some things I let this girl hypnotize. For you it's just a thing, just another little thing. But for me this is heaven and the angel them all sing. It's a pity you already have your wifey, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity. I say it is such a pity. You already have your wifey, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it is a pity.
It's a pity. What we had, it was so nice, but you always knew that I have myself a wifey. And I'm not going to change, rearrange anything, cause what we did, it was naughty. If my girl ever knew, I don't know what she do, but she certainly go crazy. Probably take away my baby.
No, it's such a pity. You already have your wifey, and me don't have a man in my life. Rude boy, it's a pity. I say it is such a pity. You already have your wifey, and me have a one man in my life. Rude boy, it's a pity.
So be gone. What we did, it was wrong, and there's no way on this planet that my girl would understand. So beware, cause you know it's not fair. By the side of my wife, I will always be there, running red. Confusing thoughts inside my head. If I don't sort it out, things are gonna get dread. So take time, everything will turn out fine. Girl, you gotta get yours, cause you know I got mine.